In the soft light of early morning, when the world is still and the air is fresh, donkeys step quietly into the day. Their shaggy coats and soulful eyes make them seem like creatures of simplicity, but there's a quiet strength within them. Long ears perk at the slightest sound, as if listening to the rhythms of the earth, and their steady presence marks the landscape, whether in fields, deserts, or mountains. With each slow, deliberate step, they remind us of the beauty in moving through life at our own pace. The story of the donkey is one of quiet resilience. For centuries, they've carried heavy loads over vast distances, their hooves marking ancient paths once trod by kings, merchants, and travelers. Sturdy and unwavering, donkeys became indispensable companions, trusted with burdens both physical and emotional. They bore the weight of goods, yes, but also the hopes and needs of those who relied on them. In return, they've asked for little, save for a bit of care and companionship. But the donkey is more than just a beast of burden. Their so-called stubbornness is not mere obstinacy but a sign of their intelligence. Faced with a challenge, a donkey will pause, considering the situation with care, assessing what's around them before proceeding. This cautious nature, often mistaken for defiance, is a deep wisdom, a lesson to never rush, but to think carefully about the path ahead. In a world that often values speed over thought, the donkey teaches us the power of patience. And when the work is done, donkeys reveal another sign. Their gentle bray echoes through the stillness, a call that connects them to one another, to their companions, and to the world around them. In these quiet moments, the donkey shows its true heart, steady, loyal, and ever-present. They remind us that even in silence, there is great strength and meaning. Though often unsung, the donkey is a symbol of endurance, humility, and quiet strength. Through history, they've been by our side in moments of hardship and triumph, carrying what others could not. Yet, they remain in the background, steadfast and reliable, teaching us that strength isn't always